All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive with us. Today we're going to be looking at something, well, it might not seem super exciting at first, but stick with us. We're talking accounting, but not just like your granddad's accounting.
Yeah, this is not adding up columns in a dusty ledger book.
We're diving into the world of David Fusco. He's a certified public accountant, and his firm is doing some seriously cool stuff with AI.
Which is kind of wild when you think about it, right? Like accounting, that's been around forever. But now it's getting this whole AI makeover. Really shows you how AI is changing everything.
Absolutely. So
Yeah.
David Fusco, who is this guy? From what we've been able to dig up, he's got decades of experience in the field. And his firm is all about that personal touch, really focus on individual clients.
Yeah, and don't just gloss over that certified public accountant part. That's not just some made-up title. It means he's met some pretty strict requirements from the American Institute of CPAs. They set the bar high for expertise and ethical conduct, which is super important when you're talking about someone handling your finances.
So it's like a seal of approval, like you know this person's legit.
Exactly.
Now looking at the services his firm offers, it's pretty much everything you'd expect, right? Tax planning, business consulting, and even estate planning, which I'll admit is something I don't really like to think about.
Yeah, estate planning definitely gets pushed to the back burner for a lot of folks.
It always seemed like something only for like super rich people,
Yeah.
with huge estates to pass down. But maybe I'm wrong. What exactly does estate planning involve? And why should I care?
It's all about making sure your assets are taken care of, according to your wishes. No matter what happens, you've worked hard for your money, your home, your investments. Estate planning makes sure all that goes where you want it to, gives you peace of mind.
Okay, that makes more sense. So we've got all these services Fusco's firm offers, but then you bring in AI. And how does that change things? Everyone's talking about AI revolutionizing everything, but how does that work with accounting?
It's pretty amazing, actually. AI is impacting accounting at every level. Take data entry, for example. Or reconciliation. Used to be super tedious and time-consuming. Now AI algorithm can do that stuff in a snap. Way more accurate, too.
So the robots are taking over.
Not quite. It's more like they're freeing up human accountants so they can focus on the stuff AI can't do, like giving strategic advice or building relationships with clients.
So it's more of a partnership.
Exactly. Think of it like this. You've got AI sifting through mountains of data, finding patterns, identifying potential tax deductions you might have kissed. That's money back in your pocket.
Okay, I like the sound of that. But what about the human side of things? Doesn't all this AI stuff take away from that personal touch?
That's a good point. AI is great for efficiency and insights, but you still need that human element. The ideal situation is where they work together. AI does the number crunching, and the accountant interprets the results, gives you personalized advice. That's the sweet spot.
Makes sense. Now, from what we've gathered, David Fusco seems to be embracing this whole AI thing. There's even talk of a potential partnership with a company called Helexeon.
Yeah, Helexeon's a big player in the AI world. They specialize in automation and business strategy. That partnership could be huge for Fusco's firm and his clients.
So what's the takeaway for our listeners? Why should they care about AI and accounting?
Because it's going to affect how you manage your money. Whether you're saving for a house, planning for retirement, or running a business, AI is changing the game. You need to be aware of these changes so you can make smart financial decisions.
So we're talking about a future where managing your money is easier, more personalized, maybe even a little exciting.
Absolutely. And it raises some interesting questions like, what's the role of the accountant going to be in this new world? Are they going to become more like financial strategists, guiding clients through this complex landscape?
That's a great question. Something to think about for sure. And if you want to learn more about David Fusco and his firm, head over to their website. We'll include a link in the show notes. And if you're interested in AI solutions for your business, check out Helexeon. We'll link to them as well. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive. We'll catch you next time.